Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandu's Cookbook. Today's recipe is basic chocolate cake without oven. Very soft and moist cake. So let's start. Heat a pressure cooker or heavy bottomed vessel. Place a stand. Remove the gasket and whistle of the lid and preheat it for 10 minutes in medium flame. Now take a mixing bowl. Crackle 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk it with the help of mixer or beater. Mix it till the eggs turns fluffy. Now add 1/3 cup of refined oil or melted butter. Whisk it again. You will get smooth consistency. Now place a sieve on the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of maida. Maida and powdered sugar should be of equal quantity. Half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and sieve it without any lumps. Now mix all the dry ingredients in cut and fold method using spatula. Mixing in cut and fold method makes the cake soft and fluffy. Now add half cup of milk to adjust the consistency. Batter consistency should be as shown in the video. You can add some colorful tutti fruttis or dry fruits. Cake mold or vessel. Grease it with oil or ghee. You can place butter paper or you can dust it with maida or wheat flour. Now the greased cake mold is ready. Add the cake batter into it. Tap it twice to release the air gaps and place it in preheated pressure cooker. Close the lid and bake it in low flame for 30 to 40 minutes. If you are baking it in oven, preheat the oven for 10 minutes and then bake it for 30 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius. Temperature may vary from oven to oven. Now let's check out the cake. Place a toothpick or knife. If the toothpick or knife comes out clean, then your cake is baked well. Turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Now scrape the edges with knife and tilt the vessel or cake mold and tap it so that the cake demolds easily. So friends, you can see the fluffy and soft cake. Very easy to make. You can make it without oven. So friends, try out this cake recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's Cookbook.